That is exactly why you have a mediator. The job of your mediator is to facilitate resolution of your issues, and having an experienced mediator present can change the dynamics of your communication dramatically. There are times when the parties can barely stand to be in the same room, yet they have agreed that they want to resolve their issues efficiently. All you need to agree on is that you want to settle your issues as quickly, inexpensively, and respectfully as possible. Of course, everyone should use their best efforts to compromise. Settlement cannot occur if you're not willing to bend, and the parties come to understand that it is in their best interests and the best interests of their family to work together toward a fair and equitable settlement. It is the mediator's job to get you through your divorce process as peacefully and respectfully as possible.